So this week we've been running a sort of internal hackathon. The idea is that we've been looking to essentially test the tools that we've built that allow people to build PermaWeb applications. Perhaps the coolest thing about PermaWeb applications is that they're written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So anyone that knows those languages can build a PermaWeb application extremely quickly. And what's perhaps most exciting about the outcome of this is that we found it's unbelievably fast to develop extremely complex applications for the system.
So we've broken off into little groups around ideas that we think we're really interested in personally, that we can showcase and use, get user feedback on.
This week I was working on trying to bring our offering to mobile platforms, starting with iOS. So at the moment we've got desktop software. You can go to a website with Chrome, you can archive a news article or piece of information online, and you'll get a PermaWeb link. So we're going to start with a mobile archiving app. So if you're in Safari on your phone, you'll just be able to click share with Arweave, verify your passcode using Face ID or something really simple, and then it will just upload to the network. It'll take a few seconds.
On this hackathon week, I've been working on doing Zapier integrations. Well, that's basically like a service that glues other APIs together. By using Zapier, you can actually automate things to store it on Arweave. For example, I integrated with Twitter, so whenever Elon Musk is tweeting, it's stored directly on Arweave. Zapier, they support more than 1,000 APIs. So I guess there's so much possibilities what you can do with Arweave and other APIs now.
With Max and Victor, we were super interested in what we call the proof of art idea.
How do we give a way for artists to prove the ownership of a piece of theirs?
The idea would be that it's permanently hosted, but also we're working with local artists here in Berlin to work out the best way to demonstrate that the person who uploaded it actually owns the artwork, actually created the artwork. So we've met with one leading gallery owner in Berlin already to work out how they currently claim ownership for these works and how we might integrate with their platforms of choice. For example, linking an Instagram account with their PermaWeb platform and saying that these are the same artist, and you can guarantee that this person did create this work.
It really showed us that after all the work that we've done, it really only takes a little to provide a lot of use to these people, like these artists out there.
I hacked together a decentralized email system on top of the Arweave in 4.5 hours this week. And it works perfectly. It's very, very simple. All you need to know is just a few simple JavaScript hooks, and you can find our docs on our website, and you're good to go. You can build all kinds of decentralized applications, decentralized Twitter, decentralized Facebook, all these kind of core parts of the internet ecosystem as they currently stand, and many other kinds of applications that you simply couldn't build before the Arweave. Well, perhaps the core advantage of these systems that just focus on the decentralization aspect is that you own your data. That is, Google and Facebook, Apple, all of these other companies, these massive corporations that make money typically from selling your data and access to your data to other people, simply cannot do that with this system. This system runs on the Arweave. It cost me half a penny to deploy, and it will be there permanently. Nobody else will be able to access your data ever. It's private to you.